Hello and welcome back to the channel. Small update on my two-wheel drive conversion to four-wheel drive to Syncro on the Westphalia. So what's happening now? I have decided to sandblast and prepare the whole suspension by myself, and that cabinet is not enough for obviously because of the size. So I decided to occupy a room for that and use that room only for sandblasting. And what's even better, I have found a doors in that room, and behind the doors my father used to cook smoke meat, sausages and whatever, but it wasn't used like for 30 years, and I want to use it for baking suspension. Let's go, I will show you what's happening. So these are the premises. I have sandblasted the bricks and the walls. Obviously I need to fix the wiring, the electricity. It looks dangerous. And that's the doors. I'm super excited about that, about my finding. "30 years not used." It's going to be a perfect. So 30 years it wasn't used. So I believe it wasn't used for 30 years, and it's going to serve me for a great purpose.